Welcome. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable review tags on Facebook before they appear on your profile. This feature gives you control over what gets tagged to your posts and ensures that nothing appears without your approval. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once it's loaded, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three horizontal lines. This will open the menu where you can access various options. Next, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page filled with different settings for your account. Now, scroll down to the Privacy section. Under this section, you'll find an option labeled Profile and Tagging. Tap on it. This is where you can manage all settings related to tagging and reviewing posts. Once inside the Profile and Tagging settings, locate the option that says Review Tags. People add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply turn this toggle on, and you're all set. From now on, whenever someone tags you in a post, you'll get a notification to review it before it shows up on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Tag Review on Facebook. By following these steps, you can ensure that only approved tags appear on your posts, giving you full control over your profile content. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share this video with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more quick and easy guides.